Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. I am going to discuss linear equations in one variable. This is class 8th topic. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel. So what are the key points involved in this chapter? Firstly, we will try to understand the name of the chapter, which is linear equations in one variable. So firstly, what is linear, what is equation? These words are very important. Let us try to understand one by one. So firstly, what is an equation? Equation is an algebraic expression which is involving equality sign. Sign of equality is very important. Equality sign. Next thing is, when does it becomes an equation? When we have values of the expression on one side of the equality equal to the values of expression on the other side. That is, we have two sides. One is LHS and one is RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS will give you an equation. Then we have, if we have the case linear equations in one variable. So here variable should be one only. Variables are x, y, z. As the name suggests, the variables are the ones whose values are varying, that is changing. Next thing is the equation should be linear. Now what does this word linear mean? Suppose you have x and one is your x square. Then which one is linear? Here the power of x is 1. So this one is going to be linear and this with power 2 is going to be quadratic. This is quadratic and this is linear. So the highest power of the variable in the equation should be 1. So these are the points which are important to understand the chapter. Next, let us take one example. Suppose a child buys two pencils from the shopkeeper and he is having 20 rupees note. And shopkeeper is giving back 14 rupees. Now can you find cost per pencil? For that you are going to frame an equation. How will you frame the equation? Now the child is having 2x rupees because he has already got the two pencils and 14 rupees. And this much amount should be equal to 20 rupees. Suppose cost per pencil is x. Okay, so cost of two pencils will become 2x. And shopkeeper has already returned 14 rupees. So this much cost 2x plus 14 should be equal to the value of 20 rupees. So we will frame an equation 2x plus 14 is equals to 20. Solving this equation, we can easily get cost per pencil. So you will find out this will become 2x is equals to 6 and x will give you the value 3. Next, what are the applications which we have to learn in this chapter? The applications are problems on numbers, ages problems, perimeter problems, and the combination of currency notes. Let us first take one example for number problem. Question says 3 consecutive integers add up to 15. 1. What are those integers? So it is very easy. What are consecutive integers? Those are having difference 1. So suppose first one is x. Suppose first one is x. So next should be x plus 1 and the next should be x plus 2. Now they are saying according to question ATQ, according to question, they are saying what you have to do, you have to add these number and the result is going to give you 51. Now you can easily solve. We have 3x plus 3 equal to 51. 3x will give you 48 and x you are going to get 16. Now what are the numbers? The first one will be 16 only. Next will be 17 and the next will be 18. So these are the numbers which you are going to get. Next problem is the ages problem. Let us take example. Renu's age is 4 times that of her younger brother. So I have explained it using table. In one column we are taking ages, then ages of Renu and the ages of her brother. So let present age of her brother be x. So they are saying that Renu's age is 4 times. So that means Renu's age will become 4x. Next they are saying 5 years back. Sorry, here it is written 4. It should be 5 years. 5 years back. That means 4x minus 5 and x minus 5. Because we are moving back 5 years. Suppose a person is having age 10 years. That means before 5 years he must be 5 years old. So what we have done, we are just subtracting. So if the present ages are 4x and x, that means 5 years back it must be 4x minus 5 and x minus 5. Now what is given according to question? According to question, it is given that her age was 9 times her brother's age. So that means 4x minus 5, that is Renu's age, is 9 times her brother's age. Brother's age is x minus 5. So on solving we are going to get x is equals to 8. That means brother is 8 years old and Renu is 4 8s are 32 years old. In this way, very easily, by making one small table, you can solve the question. Next question is based on perimeters, and these kind of problems can be based on area also. So what is a breadth? Very easy question. They are asking you breadth whose perimeter is given to you as 96 and length is given to you as 12. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 times L plus B. That means 96 will be 2 times 12 plus B. Now you can solve 96 upon 2 equal to 12 plus B. So 48 is equals to 12 plus B. And by this way you will get the answer as 36. So this value will be 36. So framing the equations and then solving it is not difficult. Next is Lakshmi is a cashier in bank. These are notes problems or the currencies problems. So she has currency notes of denominations. What are the denominations? 100, 50 and 10. So again I have used table method. In one column I have written the denominations 100, 50 and 10. Next they are saying that these are in the ratio 2:3:5. So suppose the multiplying factor is x, that means these are 2x in number, these are 3x in number and these are 5x in number. Now what will be the value? The value will be 100 into 2x, that is 200x, 50 into 3x, that is 150x, then 10 into 5x, that is 50x. Now as per the question, what they are saying, total cash is 4 lakh rupees. So that means this total of all these three values should give you 4 lakh. So 400x should be equal to 4 lakh. So x you are going to get from here solving 4 lakh upon 400, that is 1000 rupees. So if this is 1000, what will be the, how many notes of each denomination she is having? They are asking you how many notes she is having. So it is very easy. From here you can easily calculate 2000, 2 into 1000 here, 2000 notes of 100 rupees, 3000 notes of 50 rupees and 5000 notes of 10 rupees. I hope you like the video. Thank